What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to give you kind of like a tour of all the chicken stuff, our little chicken farm we have over here, and pretty much all our animals too. We have chickens, horses, goats, have a few dogs and cats too. So I know we have a lot of new people to the channel. We hit 600 followers on YouTube last Saturday, so thanks for that. And I'm still doing my collaboration if anyone wants to join in on that, just to make a chicken video about your favorite topic relating to chickens, and let me know if you make one and I'll add it to the playlist. So I'm going to give you a tour of the chickens. I have done one of these a long time ago, one of my first videos on my channel, and a lot has changed since then. So I'm going to update you guys today. Alright, so we come into the pen, and we just built this pen for the chickens about 4, maybe 5 months ago. They were free-ranged on all of our land, and we have a pretty good orange field right there, and then we have one across the street and one back over there. But so they were free-ranged, and now we put them in a pen because they were just getting into everything, and so had to put them in a pen, and also kind of eliminates the risk of predators, and the dogs are always around the pen. So haven't had any chicken die in here yet, which I'm glad. And chickens can't go off laying eggs wherever they want like they did when they're free ranged. They would lay eggs in our if our garage was open, they'd lay eggs under the car and stuff like that. So we did put them in a pen, and grass is doing good in here, and I don't want to cut it, but I think I might have to, because I don't want to cut it because I know eventually the chickens will wear the ground down. So, but the grass is really thriving in here and everything. Got a lot of weeds and ragweeds and everything, and these one plants have the little seed heads on them. The ducks really like because they'll jump up and get them. So it's the main chicken pen. It's a little stormy day today. You're supposed to get storms pretty soon here. Gotta make this video for. So in the pen we have all the chickens, since we just put the chicks out into the main pen. About 70 chickens, about around 80 birds, including the ducks. We have 6 ducks, 2 male and 4 female. We got the pecans and the mallards, which really nice breeds of the ducks. And then I have mainly crossbred chickens because of all the chickens who have hatched them on their own, and I've incubated over 20, so a lot of the crossbred ones. And then I have all the standard breeds, so I'd say I have over 10 different breeds, around 15. I got the Leghorns and Rhode Island Reds and the Americana ones and the fluffy Cochins, and I have, I think, 5 roosters right now. I know I have more, but we're getting rid of them soon because I definitely don't need any more roosters. Those are the young chicks that are roosters. But there's Reggie. He's my nicest rooster. He'll come up to me, greet me. When I first come in here, all the chickens will run at me, but I have this little thing in here in the middle for shade. It used to be an old feeder, but propped it up for shade. Cat seems like the only one that enjoys it, but have a big pool right there for the ducks. It needs cleaned out after because I just filled it up yesterday, and it's still filled up pretty good because all the rain we had last night, which we've been getting a lot of rain, which I like, but it's already dirty. So are the pools. I made the mistake of not putting the little boards on there, which block the ducks from getting in, making it dirty water. So I gotta refill that today again. as I just did yesterday. Here's another chicken. It always comes up to me. That one will jump on you, but this thing will mainly climb up on it. And they seem to enjoy the pen. It's a pretty big pen. So, all privacy fence, so it looks nice and everything. The only problem I've had of the chickens getting out are the leghorns, which I clipped all the leghorns' wings, but they can still fly somehow. And one smart Rhode Island red chicken I have will dig holes under the fence. So there's the second pen I'll use. I have my chair set up there, and I'll put my tripod right in front of it, and that's where I do the live streams. Hopefully I can do one today, but storms are looking like they're gonna try to block me, so hopefully I will. Last Monday's stream I got rained on a little bit, but I do live streams every Monday and Wednesday if you want to come in around 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. So chickens enjoy it out here, and I feed them over there in the part no grass, but I'll use this pen if I need to separate any hens if they're hurt, or if I need to put in chickens in there or breed any or anything like that. That's all I'll use that pin for. And then this pin over here, you have a little water thing set up, and that's what I'll use in the winter because it doesn't freeze, and that's how I'll get their water in the winter, because everything will freeze up. Then right now it's actually a cooler day today. It's about 75 degrees. We've been having 100 degrees. But this is the chick pen. Can't really see it right now because it's growing up like crazy. I'm just seeing how much it'll grow. There's nobody in here right now, but they have a little house in there. I'll get the goats in here before everything dies so they can eat all that up. But that's the pen. Then I have this little lane that goes in the hen house, which I'll show you right now. So you come in here to the other side. There's the pen, and this pen now, and this pen does have their own little hen house in here. This weekend is cleaning out day for the hen houses. Try to do every other week, and I think I have a brooding hen on there. She was in the main hen house, but she found her own patch of eggs, and I don't usually let the hens sit on eggs. I have in the past, and most of the time they don't hatch out. So I gave up on that, but if they come in this pen and try to hatch stuff out, then I will, as long as they don't interrupt normal egg production. Here's the hen house. Nothing fancy about this really. Have a lower roost for the chickens that can't really fly very well, or the big chickens, and then I got big roost, and I'm looking to expand the hen house or get a bigger one. What we've thought about is cutting, because there's the horse stalls behind there. We don't use them much anymore, so might put another hen house in there. But this is the hen house. I got nesting boxes. I got one big long one that used to be divided, but still haven't fixed it really. And there's the 4 top ones. Egg production hasn't been very good lately. Can't tell you why, but I'd like for it to get it back up. We actually had a horse come through here and trample our gates. One of our horses trampled through here, stormed through there, and knocked down that fence. So this fence is all messed up now. So random chickens are getting in here. So that's really it for the chickens. I've had chickens for probably about 4 years now. So got these ducks recently this year because ducks are just friendly, cute animals. So show you other animals now. Here's our big dog, and here's our oldest one. He's 7. He's the leader of the group. We have, there's one of the cats that was in the chicken pen. We do have, say, 4 cats, and then we have 3 dogs. Cats are about a year old. We have one that's 2 years old, and this dog is 4 or 5, can't remember, but it's Biscuit. Had him for a while. Our oldest dog, I don't know where he is at. His name is Bear. If I find him, I'll show you him. And then we have, those are both rat terriers, him and the other one. And we have another dog, the big one, it's a Great Pyrenees, and he's probably like 80 to 100 pounds. He's a big white fluffy thing. So there's that. We have 4 horses, and one's 14. One is 2 of them are 2, and the 2-year-old's the biggest one. Then he's a rescue. That is 5. And we got 2 goats. And we moved our goats over here to eat around the backyard. Fenced it in a little bit. There's Joe. He's 2 years old. Had him ever since. And then there's the little goat. That's a Louie. He's under a year old. So there's all the animals. And I did have a garden, but it didn't really work out, and I finished at that. I have a few plants growing, some pumpkins, peppers, and onions, and tomatoes. They're doing pretty good. So thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Make sure to share the videos with your friends, and I'll see you next time. We got another storm coming.